Welcome to this short video on Rename Sheets tool, which is part of the Kobi Toolkit for AutoCAD 2026. Now we've made some improvements to this tool. So what I'm going to do here is come up here to the Kobi Toolkit for AutoCAD ribbon. We're going to go to the Layout panel. I'm going to select Rename Sheets. Now, if you have your Sheet Set Manager open, this is what it's going to look at. But if you don't, it'll ask you to select a file, and it'll actually populate this dialog box with that sheet set file. So as this comes up here, now you can see, and there's a few modifications that we've done before. So you can come in here and you can select your different sheet sets that are currently open, or you can click on the button here and go and browse, but we don't need that. We also have the ability in here to rename the layout to match the sheet title and prefix it with the sheet. So you can see in here you got one and then the sheet. So we could do that. What I want to do is I want to renumber these sheets. You can see here these two here don't have a number, and all the way at the bottom I start numbering it 1, 2, 3 again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it. We're going to select them all, and I want to do ascending, and I'm going to say let's start with a number 1 here, and I'll just go apply, and now you can see I've started up there at 1. I could even add a prefix to this, so I could say let's go A and a space and go apply, and now you'll see I've added that A in there too. Another thing that we've added is to be able to do a sheet revision in here. Now you can select on these and just type in that revision if you wanted to, or you can come up here and go constant, and I'll just say R1, and I'm going to go apply, and now I've added R1 to all of those. I'm going to go ahead and go OK here, and now you'll actually see over in here, if I go into one of these sheets, there you can see I've got A1 and all the way down. If I select on this and I go into the properties, you're going to actually see the sheet revision there also. So there's my R1. I'm going to go OK. And that concludes this short video on Rename Sheets, which is part of the Kobi Toolkit for AutoCAD 2026.